Hi guys, I am going to clean the brake caliper on my NSR here, and I'm going to shoot a quick video of me doing it. First step is to remove the caliper, which I've loosened the bolts, and I'm going to drop these in the water bath so that the bolts get cleaned up along with everything. Now I'm going to slide the caliper off, and I'm going to put it in the water bath. With any luck. Okay guys, I took the caliper off the motorcycle, and I am going to now simply dunk it in the bath. By having the bath at the same height as where the caliper goes, as you can see, everything more or less works out. Once it's in the bath, I am simply going to turn it on. You should start to see bubbles forming, and we're starting to see some dirt forming off the bottom. Now I'm leaving the brake pads in. This is literally just unbolt it from the motorcycle and submerge it as is. As the bath runs here, you can see the water is getting very, very murky very quickly. This is on a 5-minute cycle here, cleaning cycle. And that's it. We let it run until it finishes. Once it's done, we'll take the caliper out and just bolt it back up. Brian had a suggestion that was good, and I'm going to pump 1, 2 on the brake lever, which you couldn't see my other hand doing that, to force the pistons out just a fraction. That will allow the pistons that were in the seals to be exposed and also get cleaned. Past the seals, everything should be clean inside the caliper. So that's just one enhanced cleaning suggestion. So as you can see, everything's getting very dark very quickly, which that's a good thing. It's getting the dirt out. Anyway, that's it for the cleaning cycle. I'll have one more at the end, and we will bolt it all back up. Okay, we're back again. The 5-minute cleaning cycle has been concluded. There's a little crap on top. You can no longer see the calipers, and the cleaning process is finished. So, you can take the caliper out of the bath. Ooh, look at that. Take a look inside. You'll see we can now see the brake pads because the dirt is off, and we can see our pistons in there, nice and shiny. So we've got a lot of cleaning done. You'll see, we can see the bright aluminum again. Good stuff for 5 minutes worth of cleaning. At this point, I am going to take the ultrasonic cleaner, put it aside somewhere, plug it, and I'm going to save the cleaner because the dirt will settle out and we can reuse it. Good stuff. The box was to get a little height there. So we have our caliper, and I'm just going to take some compressed air and dry it off. Go. That's air compressor obviously in the background. Simply I'm gonna have to compress the pads a little. Remember, we put a little brake pressure in there to expose the pistons. That's it. That's all I'm doing to clean my brakes. Thanks for watching. And here we are at the end with the final result. There's the wheel, brake caliper, and 2 pumps back on the brake lever, 1, 2, and the pads are fully seated. That's it. End of story. Thanks for watching. Okay, one last point to the brake repair, and that's the test ride. So put the bike in gear, start it up, and then we ride it around to make sure it will actually stop when it needs to. Brakes, brakes, brakes. All good. Mission accomplished. Power off. Kickstand down so the bike stays upright. That's it. All finished.